We fast forward to page 672, skipping over some of the stuff in the middle of that problem. Okay. Here we go. Top of page 672. Somebody to read for us. Thank you, Jerry.
The formula of the points that you determine questions 11 and 13 are midpoint for. Are we going to go back and do this? Like, because it says question 11 and 13.
Don't worry about it. We
The coordinate to the points that you determine the questions of 11 and 13 are midpoints or points that are exactly halfway between two given points. The calculations you perform can be summarized in the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula states that if x1 and xy and x2 and y2 are points on the coordinate plane, then the midpoint of the segment that joins these 2 points is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2.
Okay, we figured that out. Notice this is an average. What's the average between the two y's? What's the average between the two x's? That'll get you halfway between, because, the average means half of them are bigger and half of them are smaller. So that's the halfway. Use the midpoint formula to determine the midpoint between the swing and the merry-go-round from question. I think we've already done that. Here's what I want you to do. Use that midpoint formula in number 16. Let's do 16a together. Okay, Andy?
Yeah.
For my x's, if I want to find the midpoint when I have these two sets of points, what am I going to do to find the x-coordinate of the midpoint?
We're going to put the 0 in the 4, right?
What else do I need to do to them? One more thing.
Oh, divide by 2.
Thank you. What's 0 plus 4 divided by 2?
2.
Thank you. How about for the y's? Martine, what am I going to put for the y's?
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3 is 10. Divided by 2 is? 5.
4.
Excuse me?
4. It's 8. Half of 4 is half of 8.
Oh, it's my fault. I told him 10. All right? Here we go. 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. I said 10. Okay? Please do B, C, and D at your table. Be careful with those negatives. Be careful with those negatives. I'll be coming around to look. B, C, and D. that over adding. This one we're adding. We're finding the average between the original. Okay? So 6 plus 8. And then divide by 2. And so these are the correct.
So all the lessons were like this?
One is right, one is wrong. What's negative 3 plus positive 9?
For the step.
Today is Tuesday. We'll talk about questions. Okay, I think there's a lot of people who think that only a couple of Nice work, folks. Okay, who thinks they have it for B? Jerry.
Do I have to like tell you?
Well, how about you tell me the X and the Y?
I got 8 plus 6. That equals 7.
7.
And then for Y, I got 1.
1. Do you agree with Jerry? 7 and 1.
Yes.
Okay, how about C? Imogen.
3 and negative.
Do you agree with Imogen? Okay. How about Ernesto? D. Do you have D?
Yes, I have the X. I got negative 7.
-7? Good. Do you have the Y or do you need someone else to do that one? Jerry.
It's 0.
0.
So,
Do we agree? All right. Good. That's enough for today of this. Now, 2 things. I have the next homework packet. Okay, but here's what else. Stats project.
yeah.
In question 1, you need 2 types of graphs. What kind of graphs do you need?
And box mystery.
Box and whisker. In question 2, there's 2 things. 1 is a graph and 1 is an equation. What's the graph you need? Scatter plot. What's the equation you need? Linear regression. Where can you do a scatter plot at? On this. On the calculator.
Google Docs.
Online. And the Google Sheets. Where can you get the linear regression equation? On this calculator. Okay, go ahead and put your data into list 1 and list 2. Do a linreg on it, then type that onto a slide and talk about it a little bit. Okay? Right now you can go ahead and put books away, get Chromebooks out, sit with your partner, and look at your slide. Oh. I have old homework to pass back.
Yeah. Old homework. Yeah.
And new homework. Okay, so
I actually printed
this
it
is
all.
old homework.
I think there's like 4 pages.
Talk to Ernesto about this. New packet. You need the new packet.
Ow.
Molly, you have.
It's okay, Bobby.
Okay. Did you get the new packet already? New packet.
Already got it.
I need one. That's
Packet.
less than.
Get it yesterday. Right. New packet. Okay. Did you get the new packet yesterday? Ernesto, did you get it? Okay. Brody, you Chromebooks out, partners together. Mr. Craig, do you mind helping with this? You can make it like my TA's job.
Let's go check out my grades. This is like very
Oh.